Robert Oppenheimer was an American theoretical physicist who is often credited as the father of the atomic bomb for his role in organizing the Manhattan Project. Oppenheimer was born in New York City in 1904 to German Jewish immigrants. He studied physics at Harvard University and the University of Göttingen in Germany, where he received his Ph.D. in 1927. After returning to the United States, he taught at the University of California, Berkeley, and the California Institute of Technology. In 1942, Oppenheimer was recruited by the U.S. government to lead the Manhattan Project, which was the top-secret program to develop the atomic bomb. Oppenheimer assembled a team of the world's leading physicists at the Los Alamos National Laboratory in New Mexico, where they worked to design and build the first atomic bombs. The first atomic bomb was tested in July 1945, and two more were dropped on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. These bombings led to the end of World War II, but they also raised serious questions about the future of nuclear weapons. After the war, Oppenheimer became a vocal advocate for international control of nuclear power. He also served as chairman of the General Advisory Committee of the Atomic Energy Commission, where he opposed the development of the hydrogen bomb. In 1954, Oppenheimer's security clearance was revoked after he was accused of having communist ties. He was never charged with any crime, but he was effectively barred from working on nuclear weapons research. Oppenheimer died in 1967 at the age of 62. He is remembered as a brilliant physicist and a complex and controversial figure. His role in the development of the atomic bomb has been the subject of much debate. But there is no doubt that he was one of the most important scientists of the 20th century. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more videos.